Sarah arrived at her friend's house feeling a little thirsty after her long walk. She rang the doorbell and greeted her friend with a warm, "Hello." "Hello, Sarah. Come in," her friend replied. "Would you like something to drink?" "Yes, please," Sarah said. "Some water would be great." Her friend led her inside and offered her a glass of water. "Thank you," Sarah said with a smile. After a while, Sarah's stomach began to rumble. "I'm starting to feel a bit hungry," she admitted. "No problem," her friend reassured her. "Let's make some sandwiches for lunch." They went into the kitchen and prepared some delicious food. As they enjoyed their meal, Sarah felt grateful for her friend's hospitality. "Hello, how are you?"
Hello, I'm good, thank you. And you?
"I'm well. Thanks for asking."
Would you like something to drink?
"Yes, please. I'd love some water."
No problem. Here you go.
"Thank you."